Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Safari browser not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you're also facing the issue of Safari browser not working properly on your iPhone, so guys don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this Safari browser not working issue on your iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, first of all you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. Try opening the other apps or website to verify your connection. Then you have to close Safari and reopen it. Sometimes simply closing and reopening Safari can resolve minor glitches. Simply open the Safari, then swipe up from the bottom of your corner and then close it and then reopen it and see if the issue persists or not. If it still doesn't persist, then you have to clear Safari cache and data. Simply go to your settings, scroll down and go to Safari. Scroll down and you will see here option clear history and website data. Simply tap on it, tap on close all app, tap on all history, tap on clear history, done. After deleting the cache and data, then you have to restart your iPhone. Go back, scroll up and then go to general, scroll down, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If you're starting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to update your iOS. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update can include bug fixes that might be affecting Safari. So you have to go to your software update and you have to make sure you are using the latest version of iOS 17. Then and you have to check your date and time. Incorrect date and time settings might cause issues. You have to make sure that your date and time are set correctly. After setting your date and time correctly and still using the same issue, then you have to try last solution reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi password and other network related settings. So go back and then go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.